USCO2 Boys Premier versus Phantoms Blues, second half.
Hey, let's go forward, Jackson. Go that way. Put him under, David. What is that, David? Jack, drop, face the ball. Now we win. Nope. Oi, Lordy.
Francisco. Brian, you've got to take that ball down and use it.
Get it.
Nice, David.
Come on, David. Okay. Come on, Sean.
Wait, let's go.
Hey, Sean, ball.
Hey, stay balanced in the middle. Too easy on that counter.
Oh, guys, why has he got that space,
Nice.
Ref, offside.
Blow the whistle, please. Blow it. No one's outside. You have to blow the whistle.
Get it, get it, get it. Come on, don't stop, United.
Offside.
Oh, shoot. A little bit too far.
JC, attack the ball. Hey, I just want you to run into the ball. JC, get in the box. JC, all the way in the box. Talk to him, Zaro. Talk to him, Zaro.
Eager, you're sitting all right? Turn.
Get it, get it. Come on, guys. Guys.
Go, Francisco, go! Get there, Ryan! Where's my midfield? Play, Brian! Go, Brian!
Come on, David. Back
Come on.
the ball, David.
Good job, JC. Win it. Nice.
Get up, Seth, recover.
Come on, David.
Seth, help him, get line! Seth! Dylan! You either line it or you play fit. You don't dribble across your box. Come, switch with Brian. Brian, get out right.
Now we win. Too easy.
Find a pass.
Too easy.
Seth, help him. Guys, we're still second in the ball.
Go in.
Guys,
We're back out wide now, David. David, I need you to work. Standing and watching this game.
that's our ball. Hold
Hey, I
on.
need you widey.
Francisco, come on, take him. Take him this way.
Just pass him on, Sean, and stay central. Pass him on.
Ah!
Come on, David. Oh.
Santiago, feet! Kome, you've got to hold it, Kome! Carry!
Somebody get it.
My mids are three.
Come on, get it.
Kome!
Jeez,
Back post! You got time, Santiago, you got time.
David.
Look at Brian, look at Brian!
Come on, get it. Somebody else, get it.
Anthony! Step Ryan, carry! Ryan, carry that ball! Yes! Hey, you, Ryder! Get your set up, come on!
You are being lazy. You cannot yell at anybody on this field. You cannot yell at anybody on this field. Go.
How you play?
David!
I mean, time after time, I'm telling you, bud. Time after time, I'm telling you to be active.
Let's pressure! Good! Come make the run! Yes! I gotta hold it.
Get it out, somebody! Please. Come on, take it.
Take him, Seth, take him! Come on, get back, Francisco, get back, Santiago! Get back! Get there, Anthony!
I beat dangerous Mesa.
Better.
Could have taken that, Mesa.
Good.
Get it, Sean.
Let it ride. Give him a second, Seth. Give him a second. Come on, Francisco. Go. Santiago, get here.
Play, hey,
Just sit there. Look at Anthony, Seth. Back to him. Oh, Francisco. Francisco, get back!
You're on the right.
Ryan!
Go.
Harry! Just sit, Seth. Just stay.
Get it back, United.
Ref. he won't blow his whistle. You said it too, he won't blow his whistle. Anthony, that's stupid. Anthony, you win that back, Anthony. You win that back.
Dangerous. Stop trying to dribble 9, guys. Go forward.
Francisco, recover with this man. Francisco, get there. Anthony, let's not be stupid. Finn, give them time. Seth, fix it later. Get out, Dylan. Go, Kume. Well done. Let's go, Steely, out. Ryan, sprint! Ryan, sprint, Ryan! Francisco, get back. Well done, Seth. Guys, get our ship.
Gonzalo.
Gonzalo! Gonzalo! May's in the center.
Ryder, more central. Big press, Kume.
Go!
Where's my midfield? Where's the midfield? That's not Santiago's job, Eager. That's you and Anthony.
Hey, back behind the ball, Jackson. Nothing over your head. That needs to be your ball. Somebody midfield win.
Be dangerous!
Guys, that's too easy. Francisco, pressure. Don't dive in. Francisco, get with him.
Don't lose
Who's
it.
with that midfielder? Igor! Can you stay with your man? Igor, he's got 20 yards of space, and you're standing looking at Ryder.
Goal side, Mesa. Or pull him back. Just say 22 here. We sort it out. Just sort it out.
Go, man, make the run when it's
I
time.
got 22.
You got it. Get there! Clear!
All right.
Just don't let him get beat you. That's it, Igor. That's it. Now stay with him.
You got time and space, Vader.
Time. Bring it down. Bring it down.
Turn!
Oh, come on. Come on, Brian. Come on.
Oh, he's
Brian.
holding him.
Let it ride. Let it ride. Just get your man. Seth, get your man. Where's my midfield? Anthony. Igor. That's it, Santiago. That's him.
Now get to it. Now get goal line.
Again.
Seth.
Get there!
He's wanting it more than you, Park.
That's you, Kume. That's you, Kume. Come on. Come on. Come on, quickly. Come on.
Get back, United.
Kume, run. Igor, no turn. No turn, Igor. That's good. Good. Play it. Lovely ball. Well defended, young man. Well defended. Anthony. Santiago, time it. Right? You know what I'm saying? Nice. Forward. Go. No, just go. Hit it, hit it.
Go, Zach!
Ryan's ball, run.
All right, come on, have a chance to win.
Well done, well done. Hey, Francisco, come on. Sprint, sprint.
Get it down, get it down! Don't let him get it!
Drop, get up, drop, get up, drop, get up, drop. Francisco, move one forward. Anthony. Help him, Seth, help him, Seth. Let it ride, let it ride. That's right. Seth, hurry up.
Come on, come on.
Oh, three of you.
Go.
JC, I need your hands off your knees. JC, simple, dude. Hands
Let it go, let it go.
Hands off your knees and play
Get
simple.
behind Santiago, come in, come in.
JC, get back.
Hey, out of the air, Santiago. And go, Santiago.
Get him.
Tomei, don't run, Tomei. Don't run straight out of one left, I need you guys involved. Seth, go.
Francisco. Back.
Go.
Zach,
Eager, just drop.
JC, back.
Come on, let's not.
Oh, that's not like
Come on, guys!
Eager.
Fight. Yeah.
Seth, recover, Seth. Out there, Eager. Eager, use your head. Get there.
Come on, let's win it.
To who, Zach? We're just kicking.
Get up.
Keep going, Seth, keep going. Seth, come on. Seth, get up. Seth.
Jeez.
Bring it down, Francisco.
Come on, Ian. Oh, get it! Get it, Ian!
Ryan! Start it! Get him up! Start it! Start it! Get up and get him up too! Ryan!
1.
You're gonna deal with that at the start!
Step up.
It was a.
We almost scored.
Come on, get it back!
Get up, Ryan! Brian, you've got to work hard to be there! Quickly, Ryan! Seth, you might as well go. Seth, go. Just make sure you can get back. Seth, go. Brian!
Somebody go to it. Somebody go to it.
Pressure, Anthony! Stay back post, Francisco. Just stay back post, Francisco. Seth, you cut inside. Seth, that's outside you're going. Quickly, Ryan! Francisco, stay back post. Get out here. Get out.
Go, go. Go.
Sub.
Sub. Sub.
Parker.
I want you now.
Ian. Target.
Mateo. Mateo. What's that?
Daly, switch with Ryan. Ryan. Guys, quickly get a quick drink. Come on.
You see it?
Get a quick drink. You want to get it?
Water break.
You know what happened there? Midfielders coming, he was going at it, standing with the one guy. Just dump it into the guy.
Hey guys, jog off, get some water. This doesn't last long. So if you need some water, 2 minutes, okay? Running clock, or what are you doing?
Get out, go. Stop and walk.
Yeah. Give him 2 minutes, so.
What's that?
Give him 2 minutes to get water.
Don't worry, I don't care if
You all got enough to drink?
You guys okay? I got enough to drink?
Hey, one thing has changed. Someone named it. Aggressiveness. No.
Ryan,
Has nothing to do with tactics.
Seth,
All right.
Effort, energy.
Ryder, you're all at the back. Just the 3 of you. Send Steely up top as well.
They're showing. Win the midfield back.
All right, let's go, guys. Come on.
Yeah.
No, you're still on the right midfield, but you got to come back and forward this time, Brian. Santiago, just drop a little deeper in the middle.
Go, boys! Go, Hoover!
Yeah, Mesa!
Come on, guys. Help him, Seth. Help him.
Seth, go help him!
Go Mesa!
Keep fighting.
Come on.
Oh, shit.
How much time is that there?
Probably about 15 more minutes.
Offside. Hey, Seth, don't just stand here with your amount of riders 1v1. Get back and help him.
You think it's 15?
Maybe
Yeah,
10.
perfect.
10.
Okay.
Actually, yeah, Tav's like a long time. It's like 7 minutes, unless they add some for the water break. We can score again, though.
Anthony, help! Anthony, help!
We just need to make better.
Zach!
Let's go, Zach!
Zach!
Come on.
Get it! Who's there? Oh, shoot.
Santiago, I've got you. You've got to play center mid as well. You're not up. You're not in the gap now. You're
Come on, United! You can do it! Come on, get it out!
Francisco.
He's off.
Ryder, you don't have that time.
Come on, Zach!
Get there, Anthony.
Oh, time, David.
Dylan, get ahead of us. Come back, Dylan. Go.
Get it,
Dylan,
Kevin! Care where you get it.
Come on, Steely.
Time! Stop just kicking!
Seth, come
Somebody
on.
get it! Zach, win it! Win it, Zach!
Oh, come on, Francisco. Seth, get there. Seth, get there. Come on, Francisco.
Nice! Beautiful, Zach!
Pick it up. Pick it up.
Put him under! All right, hey, we'll take it!
That wasn't a back
How's that not a
pass. That was
pass?
not a back pass.
Yeah, come on! Ah, that's obvious.
Give it.
Obvious.
Seth, 2 minutes.
Get it.
Seth, 2 minutes. Quickly, Santiago.
Hey, come on, Yellow.
Come on,
You guys
Dylan,
are
Dylan.
in this Yellow.
Get behind Comey, Dylan.
JC, get back.
Get it.
JC.
Let him take it out.
Look, he's
Let's
gone.
go. Comey's hit.
Get it again.
Hit it.
Guys, get down.
Go, David.
Fred, Seth. Ryder middle. Santiago, get there.
Get it.
Get up. Keep her.
Zach, go.
Keep her.
Relax, Ian. Relax.
Finn, go long. Finn.
Ian, I need you here. That's why I tell you to relax.
Comey, go ahead then. Dylan, get behind Comey.
Somebody get it.
Guys, we're looking to play Dylan here. Look for Steely. Santiago, Francisco line. Comey.
David, back behind the ball. Back, David, back. Now we
Oh.
put him under.
Help him. Santiago, help him.
He's strong, Zach.
Let it go. Let's go, Comey. Get across. Out of the air. First. Seth, come on.
Take us up.
Seth, dig a little deeper.
Trainer.
Comey, you've got to get on the ball here. Look for Steely, all right? Brian, come across and pick up. Brian.
You're faster, Zach. Yeah. That's right.
Linesman. Make a decision.
Take your time, Zach.
Steely, go get back for this. Just go back. You got to go back and win the corner. Quickly. Steely, you're not going to get there.
Near post.
Steely, hurry up!
No one crushing the keeper, huh?
Get back, you White. Get back.
Ah!
Behind the ball, Zach. Behind the ball, Jackson.
Make it fast.
Fight, Zach, fight.
Come on, Francisco, you've got to give him an option. Francisco, get it! Francisco! Ah, referee!
First, get it. Come on, guys, get it out.
Get on, Francisco! Use it! Come on, guys, go! Brian, go! Look at Francisco! Ah.
Get it.
Quickly, Seth, go! Get it! Pick it up!
Hey, everybody.
Let's go, Seth. Run until he tells you to stop. Keep going. Go.
Come on, Mesa.
Back, Seth. Keep running.
Come on, you can do it, Mesa.
Keep going.
Seth, push it, Seth!
Yes, Mesa.
Take it.
Oh, go up. Oh.
Go, Francisco!
Win it. Come on.
That's right, get it, use it. Look at your brother. Use it. Mine coming. And get it and use it. Get across, Santiago, get across.
Just don't play with it. God. Stop talking. Sorry.
Just give it, Igor, give it. Eager, stop dribbling!
Ian,
Eager!
just a little bit more composure there. You had time, right? You had time. That's a foul. You can't stop.
Santiago drop, Francisco drop. Francisco! Get inside, Francisco. Go with 5, Francisco, go with 5.
I don't want that. I don't want
Get
that.
it, Zach. Get it, Zach.
Corners
Play it,
5
play
minutes
it.
ago.
Go, Stilly! Go, Brian!
Jeez, It's in.
Gonzalo! Gonzalo!
Go center defense!
Gonzalo!
Stilly!
Come on, United!
Come on!
Logan, Francisco, quickly.
Come on, United. We can do
Go
it.
ahead, by yourself. Logan, everything you've got. Up and down that line, everything you've got. Well done, buddy.
Come on, United!
Santiago, dig deep. Eager. Stay eager, stay eager. Steely.
Yeah, okay, fine.
Santiago, your midfield.
Sean, you and Kevin switch, please.
Santiago. Logan, push out. Logan, push out. Finn, let Darty get it. Finn, Seth, let Darty get it. You can get a rest while Darty gets it. Stay in front of her man. Seth, get inside. Logan, tuck in front of 1. In front of 1.
Come on, we gotta.
Play him. Look, get up inside.
Come on, guys.
Play it inside,
Come on. Watch 6.
Up, Brian! Brian, you pressure him, Brian! Brian, come on!
JC, be back, please. Just be an outside back.
Yeah, tuck inside a little. Get up, Logan, get up. Well done, well done. Logan, stay back post. Steely, that's good enough. Seth, drop a little. Play Logan, play Logan. Get out,
Hurry, hurry, hurry.
Logan, give it right back to him. Good. Play Kome. Wrong ball.
Keep working, please.
Play it.
Get it. Get it.
Well done, guys. Dylan. Seth, you can go. Ryan, just hold Ryan. Steely, get tight. Ryan, tuck in here a little bit. Go, Seth, go. Back to him. Seth, drop. Seth! Logan, Seth, drop. Give it a few, Steely. Seth, pressure. Seth! Seth, get back! Seth, straight! Come on, Seth, dig deep.
Leap.
Wow! Get back, Seth!
Quick.
Seth! Seth, get back!
Get open.
Santiago, drop! Santiago! Oh, Brian!
Take your time. I want good service.
Kome, get back!
Hey,
Kome!
Mason, get your head in this box.
Anthony, get in the edge of the box! Anthony!
Kevin, top of the box. Matthew, central. JC, all the way in.
Couple
JC, all
expletives.
the way
Sorry
in.
about that.
All the way in. Don't let the kids watch.
Ryan, you've got to deal with that, Ryan! Finn, let them get out! Finn, let them get out!
Be aggressive, United. It's not good. Come on, get it out.
Play it! Play it!
Oh, shoot.
Shoot! Oh, Anthony! Shoot! Anthony, shoot the ball! Recover! Anthony, get back! Anthony, get back! Eager, drop! Eager! Anthony, you've got to shoot that ball.
Mira balón, mira balón.
Let it ride, let it ride, let it ride, let it ride. Let it ride.
Pídela,
Santiago! Santiago! Hey, Eager, just sit. Let go, let go. You really can't throw the ball.
Okay, go.
Let it go. Hey, Dylan, throw that. Dylan, throw it. It's not a white ball. There's no way that's white, ref. Dylan, let's go.
Throw the ball. Which way are you calling it?
Come on, Anthony. Come on, Anthony.
Just have a little authority so we don't get confused, Yellow.
Okay, go.
Come on, Logan. Come on. Brilliant, Logan. That's that way.
Let's go.
That's that way. Dylan,
That
go.
was white.
Oh, come on. Why's that referee? Why's that right there? Get marked up. Santiago. Mark up. Santiago. Drop, Seth, drop. Out of the air again.
Okay.
Steely.
Come on, let's
Clear
take
it.
advantage. Good job.
Blue ball. Blue ball. Blue ball.
Get central, bro. Go get central.
Seth, go pick up 9. Hold it. Seth, pick up 9. Hurry up. No, get inside, Dylan. Get inside, Dylan. Get there, Brian. Get inside, Staley. Go. Seth, go. Seth.
Somebody get down there with. How long are they going to wait?
Step.
Yeah, now!
Step. Time, Darty. Let them get out.
David, how many times do I have to tell you?